there, I'm Pat with Arcan RV. Here's a nice used unit that just came in. This is the Lacrosse 337 RKT. So a rear kitchen, nice big trailer, power jacks, power awning. It's got the high gloss gel coat as well, easier to keep clean. Frameless windows. You're gonna like the frameless windows for a few reasons. One, you don't have to worry about so much leakage, and the other thing is you've got your seals covered by these nice dark tinted windows, so your seals are going to last longer with the UV rays out there. Fully enclosed underbelly. This has also got the extreme thermal package on it, so you're going to enjoy this trailer for most every season out there. Nice big grab handle for getting in and out. Friction hinge doors. The aluminum steps you'll find are real nice for getting in and out. Inside we've got the full-size fridge. We've got your fireplace, 50-inch TV, table and chairs. You've got the nice garden windows where the table and chairs are. So lots of light other than on a darker day like today. And then you've got your recliners here opposite the TV and the fireplace. Solid surface countertops again. Your gas range and your sink are all right level with the countertops. You've got a backsplash as well. Air conditioning ducts back here, but lots of counter space, good storage, covered space. You've got a hide-a-bed here as well. And inside here you've got your washroom that opens up also into your bedroom on a separate door. Porcelain toilet, which is much nicer for keeping clean. And then you've got your nice big rounded shower, heat duct in the bathroom, got a fan in the bathroom, you've got a place to hang up your towels or wardrobes. In here you've even got a slide out bed and storage across the front end like a fifth wheel. It is plumbed for air conditioning up here, but otherwise there are air conditioning ducts here too. Lots of drawer space, cabinet space. Your home away from home. Hi, I'm Pat from Arcan RV. Drop on by and take a look.